Hi guys, I just wanted to give everybody an update onto what's going on with the channel. You might have noticed that there have not been any new videos recently. Jerry was in a bad car accident a few weeks ago and he is recovering. So during this time, he will not be making any new videos until he is back up to par. We appreciate all of your support. He will be back at it just as soon as he can. From the BBG family, wishing everyone a very safe and happy holiday.